In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find late tasks in Microsoft Project. If you're managing a schedule with lots of moving parts, quickly isolating tasks that are falling behind is essential. Microsoft Project includes a built-in filter that does exactly that, and it only takes a moment to apply. Start by looking to the top of the screen for the ribbon, the wide toolbar that organizes commands into tabs. Click the View tab to tell Project you want to control how information is displayed. The View tab focuses on what you see rather than changing your actual data, which makes it the perfect place to manage filters. Within the View tab, look for the Data group. This section contains tools that shape the information shown in your current view. In the Data group, you'll find a control labeled Filter. It usually shows No Filter when nothing is applied, and it opens a drop-down list of predefined options designed to highlight specific kinds of tasks. Open that filter drop-down and choose Late Tasks from the list. As soon as you select it, Project applies the filter to your current task view and hides anything that doesn't meet the late criteria. You don't need to change your view type for this to work. Whether you're in a Gantt chart or another task-focused view, the filter concentrates on the same core task fields. Once the filter is active, you'll see only tasks that are behind where they should be at this point in time. In simple terms, these are tasks that should have progressed further or finished by now, but haven't. Project determines lateness relative to your schedule's timing, and, if you're using one, the status date. If no status date is set, it uses today's date as a reference point. The filter doesn't edit any task data, it just narrows your view so you can focus on problem areas. A few quick notes to help interpret what you're seeing. If a summary task appears to be missing, it may be because none of its subtasks are late. Filters show only items that match the criteria. Link lines on the Gantt chart may look interrupted when hidden tasks are filtered out, and that's normal. If your list suddenly appears empty, that can be good news. Everything might be on track. It can also mean tasks don't have expected dates or progress recorded yet, so there's nothing to classify as late. That's all there is to it. Using the Late Tasks filter gives you an immediate, focused snapshot of where attention is needed, so you can plan your next moves with confidence.